Happy morning children. Welcome to our today's online yoga class. Hope all are doing good in home. Today we are going to see Yoga 3 Unit 5 under 13 class. Be ready with your notebook, workbook, pencil, eraser, sharpener, etc. Let us move to our today's session. Before we moving to class, let us see the homeworks for our yesterdays. Listen to this. Worksheet 18, question number 2. Hope all are completed this homework. If you completed means you just go through and make a self-correction. If you didn't complete your homework means just copy this answer in your workbook. Have to fill this first blank and then detail 1, detail 2 and detail 3. Like this you have to complete this worksheet. Okay cuties, let us move to our today's session. Cuties, in our last class we learned some new blend sounds, right? What are the blend sounds? Do you have any remember? Yes, we learned sk blend sounds and then sm blend sounds. Hope you all remember this one. Yes, today we are going to learn how to read the words. How to read the words by joining the sounds together. See the word. I know the sounds of this word. I know the sounds, but I don't know how to read this word. Today we are going to see how to read this word by joining the blends together. What are the blend sound, ma? What is the beginning blend sound? Sk. Say along with me. Sk. For this beginning blend sounds, I am going to touch my shoulder. Like this, you have to touch your shoulder, ma. Stretch your hand like this. For this beginning blend sounds, you have to touch your shoulder. Sk. Sk. What is the middle sound of this word? E. For this middle sound, you have to touch your forearm. E. And what is the end sound of this word? For this end sound, you have to touch your wrist. Like this, stretch your hand and then beginning sound, touch your shoulder and then middle sound, touch your forearm and then end sound, touch your wrist. Now, I am going to say the sounds. Sk, E, Sk, E, Little faster, join all these sounds together. Sk, E, Skim, skim. Say along with me. Skim, skim. Like this, try to read this word by using the sound, joining the sounds together, and then try to read this word by yourself, ma. First you have to find the beginning blend sound and then find the middle sound and then end sound. And then little faster you join all the sounds together by using shoulder to hand method. And then try to read this word. I give you 3 seconds. Start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good cuties. I hope you all did it very well. Let us going to read the word. You too read along with me. What is the beginning blend sound of this word? What is the beginning blend sound, ma? Sm. Say along with me. Sm. And what is the middle sound of this word? A. A. And what is the end sound of this word? G. G. Sm. Beginning sound. Sm. Beginning sound. Sm. Middle sound. A. End sound. G. 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 Let us join all these sounds together. Sm. A. G. Sm. A. G. Smug. Smug. Say smug. Okay children, let us open your worksheet SR20 and the page number 25. I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Hope all are ready with your worksheet. No SR book. Now we are going to practice the words of blend. Shall we start? Yes, just point out with your finger and then say along with me. Sk, sk, skate, sk, skate, sk, skeleton, sk, skeleton, sk, skirt, sk, skirt, sk, sky, sk, sky. Let us see the next word. Sk, skid, sk, skid, sk, skim, sk, skim, sk, skin, sk, skin, sk, skip, sk, skip. Turn next page, SR21. Let us read the blend sounds of sm. Repeat it again. Sm, sm, smell, sm, smell, sm, small, sm, small, sm, smoke, sm, smoke, sm, smile, sm, smile. Let us see the next word. Sm, smog, sm, smog, sm, smug, sm, smug. Okay kutis, try to read all the words independently without any help in your SR book. Let us see the next session. Whole words. What is meant by whole words, ma? By simply look at the word and then say the word as it is. We already learned some new whole words, ma. Let us going to see the spelling of these whole words. You just look at the whole word. After that, we are going to say the spelling of this word. Will, will, W, I, L, L, will. All of you get ready with your notebook, ma. I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Just say the spelling of this word and then write down in your notebook. Say and write, ma. W, I, L, L, will, will. Let us see the next word. Look at the next word. Now, now. Say and write the spellings in your notebook. N, O, W. Now. Say again. N, O, W. Now. Write down in your notebook. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Let us see the next word. Look at the next word. No. No. Just say the spelling and then Write down in your notebook. K N O W. No. K N O W. Say and write the spelling, ma. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Let us see the next word. Asks. Say the word again. Asks. Let us going to say the spelling. Just say the spell and write it in your notebook. A S K S. Asks. Asks. I give you 2 seconds to write in your notebook. 2, 1, 0. Let us see the next word. Look at the word. Read. Read. Say the word again. Read. Going to say the spelling. R E A D. Read. Read. Say the spelling and write in your notebook. R E A D. Read. I give you 2 seconds to write. 2, 1, 0. Let us see the next word. Look at the next word, ma. Words. Say along with me. Words. Words. Going to say the spelling. You just say the spelling and write down in your notebook. W O R D S. Words. Words. W O R D S. Words. I give you 2 seconds to write in your notebook. 2, 1, 0. Let us see the next word. Shall we move to the next word? Yes. Keep. Keep. Say the word keep. I am going to say the spelling. You just follow me. Say the spelling and write down in your notebook. K E E P. Keep. K E E P. Keep. I give you 2 seconds to write down. 2, 1, 0. Let us move to the next word. Look at the next word. Met. Say the word met. Say loudly. Met. Now I am going to say the spelling. M E T. Met. M E T. Met. Just say and write down in your notebook. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Let us see the next word. Look at the next word, ma. Safe. Safe. I am going to say the spelling. You just follow me and then say along with me. S A F E. Safe. S A F E. Safe. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Hope you all copy these words in your notebook. You just write the words again 2 times in your notebook and then send it in your WhatsApp group. Okay, kiddies, all of you ready with your SR book? I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. SR 17. Now, I'm going to read the story. You just listen to me carefully After that, you have to read the story without anyone help. Got it? Yes. First, I'm going to read the story. You just follow me carefully. Just point out with your finger and then follow me. After that, you have to read the story in your ESA book as your own. Without anyone's help, you have tried to read this story, ma. Yes. Who God's the God? Like this, you have to point out with your finger. Who God's the God? Author Shakshi Bhatia. Illustrator Minesha. Danu is from Nepal. He works as a watchman in my building. He is awake all night. He keeps a watch on everyone. All the thieves are scared of him. Look at the next page. SR 18. I met him one day. I asked him, "Why have you become a god?" He said, "Nepali people serve the country. Some of them are policemen. Some of them are soldiers. And a lot of them are gods." Turn next page, ma. SR 19. We love keeping people safe. You are very brave and helpful, I said. I thanked him for keeping us safe. She thanked him for keeping us safe. I was thinking of Danu. The girl was thinking of Danu. After going home, if Danu gods us, then who gods him? Just like this, try to read the story as your own in your ESA book. Next, I want all of you to open worksheet 18. I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Just we going to read this table. Look at this and then point out with your finger. The story was about the people of Nepal who are brave. Right? The story. We read the story, no? What was the story about? The story was about the people of Nepal who are brave. Brave means courageous, very strong people. Right? Yes. And then look at the detail 1. Danu from Nepal works as a watchman. He is awake all night. Look at the detail 2. Some Nepali people are policemen and some of them are soldiers. Look at the detail 3. They love keeping people safe. Try to read this again as your own in your worksheet. Let us turn the page, worksheet 19. You have to do this worksheet 19 as your homework. I am going to explain the questions. First question, read the underlined word and circle its meaning. There are two subpart questions are given, A, B. Just read the sentence and then find the correct meaning of this underlined word in these given options, and then you have to circle it. Which one is correct means you have to circle the correct meaning. And then let us see the second question. Tick the correct option. What is the story mostly about? We read the story now. Hope you all remember the story. What story we read in our class? Who guards the God? Right? Yes. We read the story. From the story, you have to find out what is the story mostly about. You have to tick the correct option. And then B question, read the B question and then tick the correct option from these two given. Let us see the third question. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer. Who is Danu? Danu is a dash. There are two options are given. Just look at the options and then choose the correct answer and then write it in this blank. Try to do all the questions in this worksheet 19 independently. Independently means without anyone's help. Try to do all these questions as your own and then send it in your WhatsApp group. Let us move to our grammar session. We are going to do one activity. Like this, you have to draw in your notebook. Write this table column in your notebook. Just split the table column into two. How many is the noun? Where is the noun? Just pause the video and then copy this table column in your notebook. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now we are going to see some words. Let us see some words are given in this table. You just pause one by one after one word. You just pause the video and then find out either these words are how many is the noun or where is the noun. How many means just want to find out the number, and where is the noun means you just find out the position of the noun. Position of the noun. Look at the first word. What is the first one? What is the first word, ma? One. What is the first word? One. Is one is the number or what position of the noun? One. Look at the second word. What is the second word? 11th. Just see the tabular column. How many is the noun? Means we have to choose the number. One is the one. The word one says about the how many is the noun. Next tabular column, where is the noun? In this, the word 11th says us about the position of the noun. Hope you understand this one. The word one says about the how many, and then the word 11th says about the position, where is the noun. Just like this, you pause this video of this tabular column and then you have to complete that tabular column as your own in your notebook. If you complete means You have to check out with these answers given. I give you 5 seconds. You just, if you didn't complete means you just pause the video and then check out with your answers. Okay, cuties, let us see the next session. Next, I want all of you to open worksheet 20. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. First question. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer. Here are some sentences are given. You will complete the sentence by writing the correct options, correct words from this bracket. You will do this independently. You have to choose the correct answer from these two options and then write down in this blank. Just do it yourself in your workbook and then if you finished means send it in your WhatsApp group. I show you one model. I will read that book today. I will read a book today. The third means, if we choose the answer third means, third will say about the position of the noun. Here we have to write the number. How many books? Here I will read a book. So that I write the word a. Like this, you have to read the sentence and then complete this worksheet as your own, ma. Okay, cuties, let us move to our next session. In this unit, we have learnt about India and its neighbors. Let us see what we have learnt about these neighbors. You will choose any one stories. Chinese way of eating from SR2, cricket match in SR8, moving to China in SR12. You have to read any one of these stories. Have to read the stories and then while reading the story, look at the pictures in the story and then think what happened in the first, second, third, last. You will fill this sentence. You have to copy this sentence in your notebook and then fill this sentence based on the story in your notebook. Just copy the sentence first, second, third and then last. You just read the story and then find out in the pictures, find out the first, second, third and last from the pictures given and then you have to complete with your own words in your notebook and then send it in your WhatsApp group. Okay, cuties, let us go into complete our today's session. You will practice the story Who Got the God in SR17 in your SR book. You just read the story independently without anybody's help. You just read the story in your SR book and then do the worksheet activities that I given today. Worksheet 18, question 2 and then worksheet 19. Question number 1, 2 and 3 and then worksheet 20 question number 1. You just do all these worksheet activities and then make sure you complete your homework every day. Don't skip the homeworks. You just do the homeworks every day in your home itself, ma. If you complete means you just take a photo and then send in your WhatsApp group. Okay, cuties, going to complete this today's session. All of you take care. Thank you, ma. Bye.